know this. Fresh water we are able to use is only 1% of all the water in the world. Most of the water is frozen on mountaintops and glaciers. By the way, the rest of 96% is salt water. We use oil in a lot of everyday things. In New Zealand, water pollution is a hazard to animal life. You might find the whole food chain in one oil spill. Some fish even think the oil is food, and they try to eat it. Unfortunately, the oil can poison and destroy ecosystems in the sea, including all the lovely coral reefs. They will end up turning white. There could be no hope for the coral reef and the ocean life. The oil rigs sometimes dump barrels and barrels of oil in the sea. Some is cured. All the oil spreads 800 square miles every day. Nightmare, right? Plus, if a boat blows up, the sea will set ablaze. This means CO2 can't get in, CO3 cannot get out. Marine life will suffocate, no seafood, no life in the ocean. There will be a disaster full of sand, bones, and rocks. The mass killing of birds. Birds are in the food chain, and a food source in the food in some places. 200,000 birds are killed every year due to oil spills and oil rigs and man-made food that are dropped in oil. Birds ingest the oil in their stomachs. It does not dissolve and move on. So the bird is poisoned for a long time and dies slow, not fast. Some reach the mainland and die. Other animals scavenge for food and get poisoned and die too. That's why oil should not be touched.